In this digital world we all live in, phones, games, screens. Not everyone online is the same. Some protect, some break. So let's learn the difference.
Every system got a door, every door got a key. Like your house, your heart, like you and me. Same screen glow, same Wi-Fi sign. Different minds on different lines. Internet big, yeah, the world's that wide. Good and bad, walking side by side. So before you click, before you trust, learn the rules, yeah, learn you must. Same skill, different reason. Same code, different season. One heals the cracks, one breaks the lock. Same road, different walk. White hat protects, white hat cares. Fixes the cracks, keeps systems fair. Black hat breaks, black hat lies. Steals your data, hides and spies. Set computer, different soul. One saves the system, one takes control. Know the line, choose the right path. Be a protector, be white hat.
Be white hat. Be white hat. Be white hat.
If someone asks for your game ID, so don't tell mom that's not friendly. If they rush you, if they hide, that's a warning sign inside. White hat says take your time. Ask your parents, read the sign. Black hat tricks, pretends and lies to take your stuff, that's why. Talk with love, not fear or blame. Teach them safety, not just shame. Truth grows strong when spoken clear. Guiding hands keep futures near. White hat protects, white hat learns. Finds the hole so no one burns. Black hat hacks for cash or fame. Hurts people, breaks the game. Knowledge is power, ethics decide which road you take, which code you ride. Learn defense, not attack. That's the way of the white hat. Learning code is not a crime if your heart's in the right design. Tools don't choose, people do. That choice belongs to you. Lock your phone, protect your name. Strong passwords ain't a game. Think before you click or share. Cyber safety means you care. If it feels wrong, pause the line. Report it, step back, take your time. Defense is smart, defense is right. That's the power of the white hat. White hat, white hat, heart.
Creature made bold.
Weapons of confidence a lot. Same in my mind, don't sit so right. Be a protector, yeah. Sails alive. Be white hat. Cybersecurity isn't about giving less. It's about protecting the people. Don't share, just feel safe. Be aware and choose the white hat.